This is an example of how to use an online app in order to do a correlation coefficient. I'm starting at Excel because it needs to have data to go into the app, and CSV files seem to work better for most apps. So this app requires either you type the data in by hand or you have a CSV file to upload. And I am choosing to upload the CSV file. So you'll notice that this file only has data and it doesn't have any variable names. So that's an important thing to remember. Check to see what your app requires. It has a good description of what a Pearson product moment correlation is. It's the SciStatCalc app, and you can type your values in, all the x's and the y's, and you have to be sure and get them all 1 to 1 to 1 and have commas between them. Or you can choose a file. I'm going to choose the file that I had just saved. I call it correlation example. And now all the data is in, x values with commas, y values with commas. I simply perform the Pearson product moment correlation. I get the results down here in negative 0.838884. So it's a fairly strong negative correlation. The plot is interesting to a social scientist because we're used to dots instead of lines, but the lines are connected. And it does show a general downward trend, so that as the y values are high, x values are going the other way. So it's down instead of up. So that's how we use SciStatCalc to calculate a Pearson product moment correlation. Bye.